In this video, we will service the DGX Oral Power Inflator using the Inflator Service Tool with O-ring kit. We will not service the manual exhaust because it operates independently of the power inflation mechanism. Use the 1/2-inch hex to remove the quick disconnect fitting. Mate the spanner tangs to the 2 slots of the inlet valve cartridge assembly. Unscrew counterclockwise until the entire assembly can be removed. Disassemble the cartridge assembly using a flat blade to unscrew while holding the button stationary. Once the button separates from the spool, push the spool out from the cartridge barrel. Remove all O-rings, noting their relative position and sizes. To clean, soak all parts in a solution of vinegar and water. Scrub with toothbrush if needed. Match clean and dried parts to O-rings. Swap out old O-rings with new. Replace all O-rings. Reassemble the cartridge assembly. Attach the inlet valve assembly to the cartridge barrel. Attach the quick disconnect fitting. Tighten until snug. Do not over-tighten. The Inflator Service Tool and O-ring kit are a save-a-dive solution for qualified professionals, but our recommendation is to replace, not service, your power inflator.